Hello, this is Sudhakar Moparthi. Today we're going to talk about NAT gateways. So it explains a whole bunch of things here. And we're going to explain this using our c1c2 diagram. So I'm going to switch to my c1c2 diagram. Okay. So that's the NAT gateways. And we will take one arrow at a time and then we'll just talk about it, what the thing is, and that's it. And those relationships, if you understand how net gateways work. Okay, I'm going to use my invisible pen. All right, let's start with the basics. So you got your VPC. This VPC is in an availability zone, and these availability zones are in some region, and that's the basic things. You have some instances where you have your machines, EC2 instances. They have to be in some network, subnets launched, and it could be in a public subnet or a private subnet. So we're going to look at them separately. So this subnetworks, subnets can be controlled using network ACLs so that the traffic doesn't have to pass back and forth, requests and response, so you can control. So that's that. And if we can pass that, then we can allow the NAT gateway to send the traffic through the network interface to an internet gateway and to the internet. So if the traffic starts here, it's through this private subnet, through the network ACL, gateway, interface, internet gateway, and then internet. Okay. Now we'll talk about public. So you got, let's say, this machine, public, and from there, network, and then from there, gateway to network interface, and from there to transit, or it could be a virtual private gateway, and from there to a corporate headquarters customer gateway, or other outside the AWS VPCs. So basically, what you're doing is you're connecting the network within your VPC to the outside world using NAT gateways. They could be public network gateways, public or private. So it will map. So private, it will get its own private IP address. Public, you have to attach elastic IP address. The maximum IP addresses you can attach is 2. The maximum you can attach here are 8 for the private. And then when you have multiple, one of them is primary. Then you can have a maximum of 55,000 simultaneous connections to the outside world. Uniquely you can connect. Each unique identifier can be connected. What is a unique identifier? So the IP address, the port, the TCP, IP, UDP, plus port, plus IP address of the instance, because the traffic is starting from there or going there. So you can have so many connections. And what is the speed? 5 to 100 gigabytes per second bandwidth you can have. Then there is one more statistics here. Packets per second. At what speed the packets are moving? 1 to 1 million packets per second, up to a maximum of 10 million packets per second. So like that, by introducing multiple gateways and putting your resources in multiple subnets, you can achieve the flow of traffic through NAT gateways. Network address translation. Just in case if you're wondering what is NAT. Okay, I think we covered all the arrows and that's it. All right. In conclusion, we can say the traffic will flow like that, for a private, and for a public one, or to virtual private. All right, that's all I have for today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.